Are you tired of living in a dirty and cluttered home? Are you struggling to find the time and energy to keep your space clean? If so, you're not alone. Many people today lead busy lives and simply don't have the time or resources to maintain a clean and organized living space. But what if I told you that starting a cleaning business could be the solution you've been looking for? There are several reasons why starting a cleaning business can be a smart and profitable decision. Reason 1. High demand for cleaning services. The demand for cleaning services is always high. No matter what the economic climate, people will always need their homes and offices cleaned. And with more and more people working long hours, there is a growing demand for professional cleaning services. Busy professionals often do not have the time or energy to clean their own homes or offices, and they are willing to pay for someone else to do it for them. Additionally, many people simply do not enjoy cleaning or do not have the necessary skills to do it properly, which creates an opportunity for cleaning businesses to fill the gap. As a cleaning business owner, you can take advantage of this high demand by offering quality cleaning services that meet the needs of your clients. By building a reputation for excellence, you can attract a steady stream of customers and build a successful business. Reason 2. Low startup costs. Starting a cleaning business can be a relatively low-cost venture. You don't need a lot of expensive equipment or specialized training to get started. With some basic cleaning supplies and a strong work ethic, you can begin offering your services to clients in your area. Some of the basic supplies you will need include cleaning solutions, mops, brooms, buckets, and vacuum cleaners. You can purchase these items from a local supplier or online retailer. Additionally, you will need to invest in some marketing materials to promote your business. This can include business cards, flyers, and a website. With a little bit of creativity and effort, you can develop a strong brand and attract new customers. As your business grows, you can invest in more advanced cleaning equipment and hire additional staff to help you meet the needs of your expanding client base. Reason 3. Rewarding experience. Running a cleaning business can be a highly rewarding experience. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing the transformation of a cluttered and dirty space into a clean and organized one. And when you provide excellent service, your clients will appreciate your hard work and recommend you to others. As a cleaning business owner, you have the opportunity to make a real difference in the lives of your clients. By providing a clean and organized living or working space, you can help them reduce stress, improve their health, and increase their productivity. Additionally, running a cleaning business allows you to develop valuable skills in areas such as time management, customer service, and business operations. These skills can help you in your personal and professional life and provide you with a solid foundation for future ventures. Starting a cleaning business can be a smart and profitable decision for several reasons. The high demand for cleaning services, low startup costs, and rewarding experience make it an attractive option for anyone looking to start their own business. If you're ready to take the next step and start your own cleaning business, there's no time like the present. With some hard work, dedication, and a commitment to providing excellent service, you can build a successful business that provides value to your clients and a sense of satisfaction for you. So why not take the leap and start your cleaning business today?